How to install WordPress in Godaddy 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about how you're going to be able to install WordPress in Godaddy in the easiest way possible. Okay, so to allow yourself to do this, all you're going to do is you're going to come over to Godaddy and make sure you're signed in with an account and you have a proper domain and everything set it up. Now once you have a proper domain and everything set it up, from there on out what you're going to allow yourself to do is you're going to come over to website and hosting, and once you come to website and hosting here, they're going to give you a few things. We're going to come down to WordPress hosting, and once you come over to WordPress hosting here, they say WordPress hosting, AI takes the worry out of building your website, etc., etc. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on get started, and it's going to give you the plans over here. So here's the WordPress hosting plans that you're going to get. So there's a standard, the managed WordPress deluxe, and the ultimate. So they're pretty cheap, to be honest, and it lets you make up to one website with free SSL certificate and all. So all you're going to do this is you're going to buy these. Once you buy these, will basically give a widget like this, and you're just going to go ahead and install your WordPress website into your settings. So yeah, basically that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.